Hi guys, this is a unboxing video. I just got this in the mail today, and it's a contest prize I got from Hydra 572HQ. The guys over there at that site had this contest, and I was lucky enough to win it. Let's open it up here, and the unboxing duties will be handled by this knife right here. This is a Inlan 𝐴𝑚𝑎𝑧𝑜𝑛 I really like this knife. It's just the right size, I would say, for like a desktop knife where you're gonna open up packages, open up mail. Yeah, I'm gonna do a full review on this knife. I really love this knife. Okay, let's see here. Okay. I really like the tip. I think what makes this a really good mail opener or package opener is how it has a very pointy tip, and it's very secure in the hand. My particular one is contoured pretty well. The thing with these Chinese knives is that the fit and finish will be different knife to knife, and this one is actually smooth, contoured, really nice. The grip is, I have about medium sized hands, and it's just enough. Just enough. It's not too thin, gives you a good purchase or good grip. Awesome knife. Alright, now here we go. I'm super excited about this. Oh yeah, there we go. Cold Steel Voyager XL Tanto point. Wow, this thing is massive. Holy smokes. Here's the belt clip for all you lefties out there. Dang. Look at that thing. To be honest, I really wasn't a huge fan of the Tanto knives, but after watching a lot of reviews and studying a little bit more, or researching a little bit more about the different, the American Tanto shape and all that, nice solid lockup, I guess it makes a lot of sense as far as a tactical knife. This secondary point is great for like breaking things, I guess, right? Let me focus here. It's not focusing. Alright, there we go. Wow, this is a massive folder. Does it fit? Okay, it barely fits in the screen. Let's see here. I'm a big fan of Cold Steel. I love their knives. I'm actually really excited about how the new Trail Master is actually switching off to O1 steel. So I'll probably be saving money to hopefully buy that guy. But the texture is very high. A little jumping up there. Let's see here. Jump back. Very nice. Let me just give you guys some better shots here. Man, that's such a beautiful blade. There's a shot of the belt clip. gold seal, made in Taiwan. Wow, this is a really long unboxing video. Alright, let me close it up here. Wow. Well, guys at Hydra572 HQ, thank you so much. Really appreciate this. I'll be taking this thing out to a camp out I'm having, and I'll be testing it out there. I'll be testing out the strength of the lock, the triad lock. I'm gonna try to chop some branches with it, do some feather sticks, stuff like that. But so far it feels very solid in the hand. Man, I was watching We All Juggle Knives, and he's talking about that secondary point there, how it could be used to bash someone's skull with. And wow, I could see how that would suck. Well, for the guy getting bashed in, but Anyway. Well, that's it for now. Once again, guys, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And for those who aren't subscribed to their channel, be sure to check it out. They're just a couple of young guys who love knives, firearms, and airsoft. Really funny guys. Really funny videos. They have one right now where it's kind of like a zombie / fruit ninja mashup, where they just destroy just a bunch of different things with different knives. It's really fun to watch, so check it out. Alright, take care.